Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact Wattpad support. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Wattpad application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to contact the support, for that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. In this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here in the other section, you'll be able to find the option for help and support. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after doing that, you'll be led to the help and support interface. You'll be able to find three options over here: help center, submit a support ticket, check for help. What you have to do is tap on this option, submit a support ticket. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If there are any known issues, they'll be listed over here. You can simply tap on the issue of your choice. But if your issue is not listed over here, tap on this option, my issue is not listed. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to select the area that you're having the issue with, tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for submit a support ticket, tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to submit a ticket in order to contact the support over here. First of all, what you have to do is pick the option that best describes where your problem is located. So simply tap on this field. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now you can also describe the issue over here. Simply tap on this field that you can see right over here. Now you can describe your problem over here. Now once you do that, you can also upload the picture if you want. For that, tap on this option, upload picture. After that, you'll be able to select and upload the picture over here. Simply tap on the picture of your choice and it will be uploaded. Now once you do that, tap on this option, report, that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your report has been submitted. You'll be contacted via email associated with your account. Simply tap on the option done. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you contact Wattpad support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.